We're going to create our composition first of all. If you go to the composition drop-down menu and select new composition, you can create a composition based on your own specifications rather than the information that's imported when you place an image into the timeline. I'm going to select new composition. In the new composition window, I'm going to call this one animation. I can specify here the parameters that I want my movie to be created in. I've got a drop down here so I can select various different features. Now, if I was going to be creating for high quality video, I would use a higher rate setting. Maybe I would use something like the HD TV 1080 at 29.97 frames per second for broadcast video. As I'm going to be producing this for social media, I'm going to keep the file size reasonably small. I'm going to pick this feature here, HDV TV 720 25 frames per second. I can specify the color of the background. I'm happy with that being just black, and I've also got the option here to specify the duration of my clip. As this is only going to be a very short advert, I don't really want it to be above more than, say, 20 seconds. Now I can change that setting here, so I can set my duration of the composition for 20 seconds, 0 frames. Remember, this is your time code. Hours, minutes, seconds, and frames. I'm going to click OK. That will then generate a new composition ready for me to place my images into.